We've discussed other online money making platforms, but we've never discussed the one that I'll be presenting to you today. This is brand new, and only a few people are aware of it. I'll teach you how to earn up to $10 in under 2 minutes of labor. This is completely free and works anywhere on the planet. You won't be selling anything, you won't be marketing anything, you won't need a website, and you don't need a large number of followers. All you have to do is listen to everything I say in this video, and once you've signed up for free, you'll be able to start collecting your profits. Although $10 may not appear to be a large amount of money, it has the potential to grow over time. And, because it takes less than 10 minutes to complete, you may use it as a second job to increase your income. This does not have to be a full-time career for you. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video. Don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So, have a look over here at the countries mentioned to see if you can find your country on this screen right now. There's a good possibility that this will work for you because it operates internationally and in a variety of nations, so you may get paid with this approach no matter where you are in the world. Now, this is the major platform that we will be using. And you don't have to worry because I will be teaching you step by step on how you can use this brand new platform to generate money online on a consistent basis. This procedure will take you less than 2 minutes or less than 120 seconds. Now I'm going to tell you how people all over the world are using this platform to make money on a daily basis. So, individuals come to this website to provide reviews on various things. Every day, various businesses and items are reviewed by different people. People earn money every time they make a review. But before you do anything else, make sure you follow all of the steps I'll show you. Let's accomplish things in a professional and orderly manner. This will be much easier than you think, and you will not be required to purchase anything from this website. You don't have to buy any of these softwares right here, and you don't have to record your voice or make a video for the products. You don't have to go through any of that. So, first and foremost, I need you to visit g2.com. This is g2.com. Now, when you're on the homepage, scroll down a little bit to see what I'm talking about. As you can see here, it says, using software, write a review. Help over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 to make the right choice for their business. This is how G2 compensates you for writing a review. People or buyers will be able to see what you have been experiencing with the product if you leave a review. Whether you suggest it or not, you'll be demonstrating how the product has benefited you or how it is ineffective. What normally happens is that if you have a positive review for a piece of software, people are more likely to buy it, especially if it has been great use to you, your business, or your studies. So right now, I'd like you to click the Submit a Review button. There will be 4 simple steps for you to follow. You will choose the category to concentrate on. You will leave a product review in less than 2 minutes, or you can take your time and then you will need to publish it on LinkedIn. Following that, you will be able to collect your earnings, and it's that easy. Now, let's start with the category. We have advertising, e-commerce or retail, finance and accounting, human resources, sales, information technology, marketing, business operations and analytics, media and communication, and so much more. You can write a review in any category that interests you. Because I am interested in finance and business, I will choose finance and accounting. You can now choose which software you want to write a review for. If you can find a software that you enjoy using, then go ahead and choose that software. As a result, you will be able to write an honest review of the product. It's either you like it or you don't, and it's either been beneficial or not. Is there any bugs in it, or does it work smoothly? This is entirely dependent on your prior experience. I believe almost all of you are now familiar with Skype and Zoom, especially when the pandemic began and we began to work and study from home. So, for example, I'll be using Skype only for this video. So now that you've decided on a product or piece of software, we'll click on Continue button right here. Once you are on the next page, just click on Review. Now, all that remains is for you to create a G2 account. To do so, simply click on Continue to Log In button. This blue button right here. After that, you can log in using your LinkedIn, Google Business, or email address. I'll go ahead and select email because it will be more convenient for me. Right after that, they will be asking us questions about specific product or software once you sign in. This could take up to 120 seconds, which is pretty quick. You can easily and swiftly answer these questions. This question, for example, how likely are you to recommend Skype to a friend or colleague? I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. I'll have to include the title in my review. Now, here's a title trick that I'll show you whenever you provide software feedback. You can go to Google and look up for reviews for that product, which you can then replicate or paraphrase. So, I'll go to Google and type in Skype Review G2 and then click on this link. Now, I will read through the many reviews that have been written about Skype. If you can't come up with your own words, then you can find some inspiration here. Then simply enter them right here. Keeping in mind that G2 does not support copy and paste. As a result, you'll have to write everything down yourself. Now you must fill in all of the blanks to respond to all of the questions. Write down your opinions on whichever product you're reviewing. As I already stated, you are free to choose any software. Now, in order for G2 to accept your review, it must be original and free of plagiarism. So as I said, if you're looking for inspiration, check out the other reviews. You can earn up to $20 each review if G2 accepts it. As a result, create a thorough and high-quality review so that people can see how Skype can benefit them. Now, returning to the G2 homepage, we can see that there are many softwares that you can leave a review of. There are tens of thousands, which means you have a lot of opportunities to review software. Now, depending on how many products you wish to review, you can review 1 to 5 products per day. At least 1 to 2 reviews may be accepted by G2. Even if it's only 1, 2, or 3, it's still a good side hustle. This method is quite simple and it is completely free. All you need is your honest opinion or the ability to rewrite previous reviews in your own words, and you'll be able to supplement your income. This method won't make you rich, but this will give you a decent income. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoy watching these types of content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can turn on the notifications to be updated on new uploads. That is it for me, and I'll see you in the next video.